Another tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for the District of Columbia,
Oh my God.
West Central Prince George's County in central
That's not
Maryland
good.
until 4 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was nearby District of Columbia, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail.